I will give you our magic formula for how to conduct conversations with guests who want refunds. This formula works in pretty much any customer service scenario, but especially when communicating with guests on the OTAs, via email. The number one thing you need to do that will hopefully put everyone at ease: refer to the guest by their first name, acknowledge their frustration, right? Oh my gosh, Dan, how disappointing and frustrating is it that this concert would be canceled within hours of it starting and totally throwing a wrench, in your Thursday plans with your friends and family. I understand that's gotta be so frustrating. People wanna be heard. And then as it relates to an Airbnb booking, or maybe even a direct booking, depending on how you have things set up, ask them. I have to ask, did you happen to purchase the travel insurance that is offered to you before finalizing your booking? See what they say. If they say yes, awesome, next steps. If they say no, here's where the art part comes in, where you want to reiterate your cancellation policy, see how they respond. Are they, are they erring on the side of understanding that you kind of set them up for success and they made certain decisions when they booked? Are they gonna be more upset? If they're more upset, you then have a decision to make as a business owner. I don't even wanna say as a host. As a business owner, you have a choice to make. If they leave a bad review, or if you feel they're gonna retaliate in any sort of way, what's that cost gonna be for you just to, if it's an ego thing, or if it's you just wanna stick your guns just to stick your guns. Now, if it's a larger amount of money, you have a decision to make too. Is that bad review potentially worth it? And here's one last thing I'll leave you with. It doesn't have to be all or nothing. You don't have to give a full refund versus not give a refund at all. You can refund the cleaning fee. You can offer a certain percentage back. Say, hey, while we adopt the most flexible cancellation policy, we do understand how frustrating this is, and we want to meet you halfway in hopes that you'll come stay with us in the future. We'd be happy not only to refund you the cleaning fee, but also 20% of the nightly revenue. We hope you understand this way we can, do our best to recoup for the loss for tonight while also offering you a piece of that loss as well. Something like that will help you hopefully wrap that refund request up with a bow.